In this video, we are going over some easy online jobs and websites that require you to have little to no experience. So if you're ready for that, make sure you do hit that like button and make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss out on the latest Make Money Online video, working from home and making money with affiliate marketing. Hello again, my friend, it's Jason here. Now make sure you also stick till the end of the video because I'm going to share with you the #1 profitable way that I am able to earn a full-time income from home. You don't want to miss that. Now let's get to the video now. Now the first easy online job will be customer service representative. Now as a customer service representative, you'll be responsible to answer phone calls to take care of customers over the phone. Many companies are out there looking for people who can get on the phone with a customer, provide them with great customer service. You'll also need a headset to do customer service work. Now let's go over these top-rated customer service websites where you can actually get a good paying job. The first website where you can work as a customer service representative is going to be NextRep. You'll find this at nextrep.com. So basically you come on the website, you'll see that you can basically get a work from home job here. You see they have a lot of testimonials. You see that you can set your own schedule here. You can make great money on the website. You can also do the things you love over here. So all you need to do to get this job is to come on this page and click on the button that you see that says work from home. You click on that, then there should be a form that pops up. You fill out this information, you go to next and you continue on and apply for this position. Another site to check out is liveops.com. You'll find it at join.liveops.com. You'll see that they have an estimated calculator here showing you how much money you can earn on here. So these are just some examples. It depends on how long you're working. For example, 20-hour week will earn you up to $200. 25-hour week, almost $400. 30-hour week would be like $400+. So you can come over here to liveops.com, click on the apply button to apply for a customer service job. The next easy online job that you can do is something called MicroWorks. Now there are two main websites out there that I recommend for you to do this. The first website is called ClickWorker, and you'll find this at clickworker.com/clickworker. Now ClickWorker is always looking for internet users worldwide who can create or correct text, participate in surveys, or search and categorize data. So this is a pretty good website. They also have their app that you can download on the App Store or on Google Play, and you'll see that the job that they have are very simple. Jobs like text creation, categorization, copy editing, surveys, research, proofreading, mystery visit, app testing. So very simple jobs. Now all you need to do, go to this website and register right there for ClickWorkers. Click on for ClickWorkers to sign up to get one of those simple jobs. Now the next website is Amazon Mechanical Turk, and of course you can see this is owned by Amazon. This is a global website on demand 24/7 workforce. To get started with Mechanical Turk, you just simply go to mturk.com. You click on this yellow button right there, and basically you'll be led to this page. This is where you want to actually click. You want to click where you see make money in your spare time. You get paid for completing very simple tasks. So these are the top two to do MicroWorks, micro jobs. This is Amazon mturk and also clickworker.com. So the next easy online job is for anyone who speaks more than one languages. So this will be translation jobs. Now there are two websites out there that you can go and find these translation jobs. The first one is steeps.com right here, and you'll find this at steeps.com/translation-jobs. Now on Steeps, you'll see that it's an online translation jobs for professional linguists and freelance translators. Now each day, Steeps updates their website with different translation jobs. You'll see at this moment, you can translate from English to French, Canadian for $15.65 for 158 words. And you can see another job over here, English to French Canadian again, $13.17. So you see that you can view these details, and then you can sign up as a translator to get hired for this position. Now, the second website where you can go and find translation jobs is at gengo.com. You'll find it at gengo.com/translators. Gengo.com is one of the top rated translating job website out there. They have a flexible schedule. You basically pick and choose, supportive community, latest technology. And what I like about gengo.com is that they basically show you how much you can earn as a Gengo translator. You can see that the income will vary across languages depending on customer demand and job availability. So you choose your primary language to see how much you can earn per month as a Gengo translator. So you see the calculator over here. For example, if you were to translate French, you basically earn $5.61 on a monthly average. And if you were to, for example, choose English British, you see that it bumps it up to a little $5.99. So these are pretty good side income for people looking to translate languages out there. So the next easy online job we're looking at is going to be chat support specialist, very similar to the customer service representative I mentioned earlier. Now the difference is that instead of being on the phone, you will be doing your work via chat. So that means you're going to be typing, answering queries to customers coming to a website. So for example, if you have ever been on a website where you see a small chat box pop up like, "Hey there, how can we help you today?" This will basically be you behind the scene replying to potential customers or already established customers. You'll be providing answers to their questions. I'm going to show you 3 websites where you can actually go and apply for these types of job. Now the first one is apple.com/careers, and basically what it's called on Apple is Apple Support Advisor. So you'll be the one behind the scene replying to customers' queries, helping them to fix their Apple devices. They also provide training and equipments for you as well. The locations are going to be in the United States, China, Ireland, and Singapore. So if you're in any of these countries, you can definitely check out careers at Apple. Now the next website is sitestaff.com. So you'll find them at info.sitestaffchat.com, and you can see on the website chat hosts. The job description and requirements are right on this page. You have to be consistent. You have to be able to type 65 to 75 words per minute there. Ability to multitask, right? Grade A problem solving skills. You have to have a little empathy, driven work ethic, self-discipline, and team player. Now, these websites will pay on average $10 to $16 per hour. And so these are great opportunities. Now, another website that offers this type of job, it's called Texting Factory. You'll find this at textingfactory.com. You basically become a chat operator on this website. Now, this is a little bit different. It's more based on the adult fantasy industry, but it's simple to apply. And what's good about this website is that on average, you can earn $300 weekly, right? So you can click on this button to apply for that job. And the application process is pretty simple. Just start the process by entering your first, your last name, email address, and agree to the terms. Then you click apply. You should also read what the job is about right here. Get some more information. It's anonymous chat only, no calling or video. You work anytime, anywhere, and as much as you want. No qualifications necessary, and the support is available 24/7. So that's textingfactory.com. All right, my friends, so those are the top rated easy online jobs that you can check out. You don't need much experience with these. Hopefully they have been helpful. Now, before you get out of the video right now, I want to also share with you what I personally do to earn an income from home wherever I am, right? So what I do is something called affiliate marketing. This is when you promote a product or service, and whenever time people buy, you make money. Now, there are tons of websites out there that you can actually sign up to as an affiliate, which includes Amazon, eBay, Best Buy, Apple. All of these companies have something called affiliate programs. You just basically sign up, you get a link, and you share that on social media, on your websites, and you actually make money when people buy. All right, this is a great business model. It's like a $12 billion industry, right? So this is what I do. And I also have training that you can also learn from. Same training that I took, which has enabled me to even earn more high ticket commissions. All right, so I'm going to put a link to that in the description of this video. and it's going to be so helpful to you once you apply the knowledge, once you take the action. All right, so this is a bonus for you because you stick till the end of the video. Now, hopefully everything works out well for you. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care, my friend.